guys? This is Jackie, your Nerdecrafter, and today I wanted to do something a little easygoing and introduce you to the wonderful world of rements. When I say rements, that means, oh my god, I'm gonna be spending my next paycheck on these cute little things for the next while. If you don't know what rements are, they are miniature furniture or just miniature characters. These are usually found in Japan, even though you might find them on eBay or anything like that, but you're 100% gonna get scammed on the price. This was about $27 in Japan, but rest assured you're gonna find it for at least way more than that. I'm pretty precise sometimes, aren't I? So what I wanted to do was unbox it. So you see, we get the complete set, which means that we will not get any doubles. We should be able to get all of these things in this box. So many of you love ASMR and so many of you cringe at it. So I'm going to do a compromise and do a little bit of A and a little bit of B, because compromise is the adult word for nobody's happy. Before we begin, I want to give a shout out to a sponsor to this video, which is One of a Kind Mini World. I'll leave a link to their Etsy and Instagram in the description box below. Their Etsy shop has so many cute things, from miniature pizza up until a donut, and of course one of my favorite things, because I'm a sucker for fancy potatoes, it's a potato with a monocle and a mustache. Thank you so much for being a sponsor to this video. Without further delay, let's start unpacking this thing. Ooh, shiny carpet, cute little background with a desk, and our wonderful, wonderful boxes. Oh, these are so smooth. It feels so nice doing that. I don't know why. Okay. Oh, we get a candy with that. So most of these candies end up tasting like honeydew or some kind of fruit. By the way, I forgot to say, I'm wearing a Magikarp hat because I want to be thematic. Okay, back to this thing. So let's open that. So this set is called Favorite Interior, and we get, wait a minute, there's something missing. Is that a piece of paper? It's kind of like a glass Pikachu, but from far it looks like a crumpled piece of paper, oddly enough. So we get a Pichu waste bin, a Pikachu little glass thingy, a Pikachu mirror, bag, and a bag stand. I love this little set. It's so simple, but I think it sets the tone for pretty much everything else that we're going to be getting in here. What? Oh no, what's this one called? What's this one? Relax Time. In this set, we're getting a candle, book, a brush your teeth set. My vocabulary is not getting worse. And a sleeping little Pikachu. On the inside, we get to cut up these two little pieces and make a little pamphlet out of it. If these things are just not the cutest things that you would want either close to your bed or in your washroom, then I don't know why you clicked on a Pokemon video. So we have a Pokeball Candle, a little book, Pikachu sleeping, toothbrush set, and a toothpaste set that has Vaporeon right on top. Oh, is that a little dresser? Why does this keep falling? Why am I whispering? This one's called Tea Time. Oh my god, is that, oh my gosh, is that a coaster, a Pokeball coaster? In here, we have, is that a bookmark? So we have two little coasters. I think this is to go inside the bookmark, and it's just hanging out. I'm pretty sure it's a bookmark. If not, let's pretend it is. Cute. I don't know. I'm absolutely speechless with this part. I know it seems very minimalistic, but I don't know. There's just something about tea and books and a little shelf. Right next to that shelf, we get a cute little lightning bolt symbol on either side. Eye contact for dominance. Oh, food. Happy breakfast. And for the cutout, we get this cute little mat. Okay, Japan, what the heck? I need to show you this. Toast in. Ready for it? Pikachu's face on the ketchup bottle. If I'm not mistaken, this is an omuraisu. They even added the details of the rice behind the omelet. This little breakfast set is just absolutely adorable. The detail with the broccoli in there, I know it's not a Pokemon breakfast with the broccoli there, just pretend it's trees. Already halfway through. Oh my gosh, I really wanted to do the TV set. This set comes with a TV. And from what I noticed on the box is that the TV has different pictures. Oh my gosh. I just got look, zoom, goosebumps. Oh my gosh, we can actually change the pictures of the screen on the TV, which means that if you got the set, you can print anything that you want, Pokemon related. Popcorn. The attention to detail for the O as a Pokeball. Why not? And then this is definitely apple juice. Extra ASMR, you get to hear my cat meow outside the door. No way. That... Watch television is the name of this set. So even the Pikachu right now... Oh no! Pikachu bomb! This is a pretty straightforward set. I mean, it has Pikachu on a TV watching Pokemon because, you know, who doesn't like to rewatch their videos multiple times over and over? Some cute little popcorn and definitely apple juice. It just feels like the right kind of thing to be hanging out on a Saturday with friends and chillin', watching some anime. We have 3 left, so we can start taking bets. Do you guys think we got the drawing practice, Pokemon goods? Aren't they all technically Pokemon goods? And break time. Which one are you saying? Make sure you vote. And we got drawing practice. Oh, what is that for? I'm not sure if this is just a picture that we can cut out and kind of make it as though we were drawing practicing. Here we go. I almost missed these guys. Is that a pencil and lead? This one is, of course, a crafter and artist's dream as a kid. So if you had a table like this one, I'm sure you were one happy camper. When I was a kid, anything Ninja Turtles was making me the happiest kid alive. Now look at all the Ninja Turtle stuff I own now. I got it for myself. Time to play the voting game again. Did we get break time or Pokemon goods? I'm going to vote this time Pokemon goods. Don't forget to vote in the iCard section and don't change it. Don't do it. Really? Still got it wrong. Did you get it right? So this one is called Break Time, and what is our cookies? Pokemon cookie box? We actually get to cut out a Pokemon cookie box. So we get a cute little cushion, iPad looking thing with adorable headphones, and I feel like, yes, these headphones are flexible, so if you have figurines, you can put it right around their ears. A plate with Pikachu cookies. And they have different faces. I have no idea why this one came in 2 pieces. I'm not sure if this is water. Oh, it's a humidifier. We have the hole up here. If it's break time, this is water that we just put in there. And a Squirtle soda. Last box. Pokemon goods. A corkboard. That's just so cute. Kind of like Tumblr style. Pikachu alarm clock. A really cool plant. Did we get the pot? Or oh, there we did get the pot. Bulbasaur. Did you see these? Super mega tiny slippers. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the feet, well, not the feet, the slippers are actually textured. They even look fuzzy. And lastly in that set, we have an adorable calendar with Charmander. Now that we have all these cute little pieces and we have the cardboard that comes you know, for the carpet and the bedroom. Decorate that tiny room and see if we can get one of my Nendoroids or Q-Posh to hang out in there. There's no chair, but they could probably sit on the floor. So in that case, let's put it all together. If you know which YouTuber I'm talking about, bonus points for you. Here is the entire, oh, I'm choking. I need water. Here's the entire set. As you can see, the entire room that they give us is just not big enough for all the items. We do have things that technically should go into a bedroom, other ones that should go into a bathroom, and also into a kitchen. One day what I would like to do is actually maybe make a Pokemon kitchen DIY someday. Let me know what you guys would want. A Pokemon bathroom? That would be weird. Imagine a toilet seat with the shape of a Pokemon. Who would be the victim? Us, you know, the toilet seat. So we just don't have enough space in this tiny little cardboard that they gave us. But my Nendoroid kind of does fit in there. If you guys don't know what Nendoroids are, they're just posable chibis because Japan. Which one is your favorite set? And more specifically, which is your favorite item of the entire thing? Mine has to be the toaster because it can move and the toaster has a Pokemon burnt onto it, but the TV does come pretty close. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until then, I will see you on Friday.